Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alright, it's your first meeting, yeah? In the 7th grade, you will turn into the 7th grade today, and Alhamdulillah, yeah, you are now in the junior high school. So Miss will check your attendance. Please raise your hand when Miss call your name and say present Miss, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Lisa Andrea Serega.
Present, Miss.
Alright, very good. Rosa.
Present, Miss.
Very good. Anissa.
Present, Miss.
And Dubrina.
Hadir, Miss.
Alright, very good. All of you are present. Okay, so before we start our lesson, let's us do ice breaking. So we have prepared for you ice breaking, singing a song. So can you stand up, please? It's when you want to get So how's the lyric, Miss? Miss will explain for you first. There are 3 color lines in there. So the pink one is Mr. and the yellow one is your turn, and then the pink one is Miss turn, and then the last one is the green one. We are sing together. You get it?
Yes,
And how's the lyric is? The lyric is, are you ready for my class? Yes, I am. Yes, we are. And that's you. And we say again, are you ready for my class? And we sing together. Please be quiet. Shh. Don't forget. Shh. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready for my class?
Yes, I am. Yes, we are.
Are you ready for my class?
Please be quiet.
Okay, alright, very good. Give me applause for all the time. Alright, so before we start the material, we will give you one of the question quotes that really make this spirit this morning. So here, the reminder, you can see in the screen, you are doing your best, and your best doesn't have to be perfect. Maksudnya adalah kita ini sama-sama belajar sama di kelas. Kalian sebagai pelajar dan berusaha untuk memahami materi-materi yang akan disampaikan, dan Miss sebagai guru juga masih belajar untuk menyampaikan yang terbaik untuk kalian. So you can nobody be perfect, but you can do as best as you can. Okay? Oh, very good. So Miss want to ask you, what did you learn in the 6th grade? What did you learn? What have you learned in the 6th grade? Have you learned simple present?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
You don't remember? You don't remember? Maybe later we will study about it. Okay. Do you learn about identity?
Not yet, Miss.
Not yet,
Miss.
Not identity about your name.
yes,
about
yes.
your hobbies, maybe where you live. Have you learned that?
Yes.
So it's still continue when you turn into the 7th grade. Ketika kalian masuk ke SMP, masih berkesinambungan dengan yang masih SD kemarin. Nah, apa saja yang kita akan pelajari hari ini? So today we will learn about self-introduction. What is self-introduction means? Nah, itu yang akan kita pelajari pada hari ini. Nah, di dalam kegiatan pembelajaran hari ini, kalian akan bekerja secara individu, bekerja secara pairs, dan kalian akan presentasi di depan kelas nantinya. Are you ready for that?
Ready.
Very good. So now, we have prepared for you one of the picture. So dari gambar ini adalah is you turning to the 7th grade in the junior high school. And we have a question for you. When you meet the new friends in the class or in the outside of the school, what will you do? Anybody?
Introduction.
Yeah, introduction yourself to your friends. And your friends will introduce herself or himself for you. And the second one, what the information will you get after you do introduction? Name, yeah, very good. What else?
Address.
Address, I believe, right? Hobbies, that's all correct. So, what introduction. It means like you know the identity of your friends on your side. What is the identity? Like you said before, name, hobbies, and where they live, and etc. And the second one, write simple sentence correctly. You know how to write down on your paper later, how to introduce yourself in the paper, or verbal or in written. Okay, the third one, speak in front of the class. To tell about yourself clearly and confidently. Like we said before, you will present in front of the class. You have to bravely, yeah? Okay, without further ado, let's start our lesson today. Are you ready?
Ready.
I think that's all for our tutorial today. So, do you have any difficulties?
Not me.
Or maybe miss too fast when miss explain something?
The
Or
question is,
yes, sir?
it's too short.
It's too short.
Yeah, I want long question.
So you want a long question? It's not yeah.
This is enough,
This
Miss.
is enough. Maybe
It's too easy.
too easy. What we say before, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Very good. Maybe Miss will change it for Sabrina later.
Yes, Miss.
More long, yeah, Sabrina. Okay, that's very good. So, anybody want to conclude our material today? What we have learned before, maybe? What we have learned before?
Identity.
Yeah, that's very good, Lisa. And what else?
We asking identity.
Friends.
Yes.
Very good, friends. Maybe Alisa, do you have any opinions?
Asking my friends
Some information. Yeah. About identity, yeah? Yeah, that's all what we learned today. So the next meeting, we will learn about members of family. Okay? Are you ready for that?
Ready.
Maybe you can prepare yourself reading another books or looking on the internet. It doesn't matter, okay?
Ready.
So, Miss want to closing quick sing a song. Always singing, yeah? Let's practice our pronunciation. So, maybe you can stand up. Stand up, please. Stand up. Okay, there's a song here. How the lyric is? So, the lyric Miss will sing first. The lyric is goodbye, students. Goodbye, teachers. See you next time. See you next time. Let's go home together. Let's go home together. Be careful. Be careful. Kita mau tepuk tangan ya, coba tepuk tangan ya. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Goodbye, student. Goodbye, teacher. See you next time. See you next time. Let's go home together. Let's go home together. Be careful. Be careful. Here we go. You ready to sing? I think before we close our lesson, let's say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Rabbil alamin. That's all. Miss Mosi, assalamualaikum